The world is facing a climate crisis, and the need for sustainable solutions has never been more urgent. The heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) industry is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, accounting for approximately 10% of global energy consumption. As a result, there is a growing demand for green HVAC technologies and practices. This book provides a comprehensive overview of green HVAC, covering everything from the basics of HVAC systems to the latest emerging technologies. It is designed to be a valuable resource for homeowners, businesses, and policymakers who are interested in reducing their environmental impact and creating a more sustainable future. What is green HVAC? Green HVAC refers to the use of environmentally friendly technologies and practices to heat, cool, and ventilate buildings. This includes using energy-efficient equipment, renewable energy sources, and sustainable design strategies. Green HVAC can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, conserve energy, and improve indoor air quality. Why is green HVAC important? There are many reasons why green HVAC is important. Here are just a few. Reduces greenhouse gas emissions. HVAC systems are a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. By using green HVAC technologies, we can help to reduce our environmental impact and combat climate change. Conserves energy. Green HVAC systems are more energy efficient than traditional systems. This means that they use less energy to operate, which can save money on energy bills and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Improves indoor air quality. Green HVAC systems can help to improve indoor air quality by filtering out pollutants and allergens. This can lead to improved health and productivity. What are the benefits of adopting green HVAC technologies? There are many benefits to adopting green HVAC technologies. Here are just a few. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Lower energy bills. Improved indoor air quality. Increased property value. Tax credits and incentives. How can I get started with green HVAC? There are a number of things you can do to get started with green HVAC. Here are a few tips. Assess your current HVAC system. The first step is to assess your current HVAC system to identify areas for improvement. You can do this by having a professional energy audit conducted. Upgrade to energy-efficient equipment. There are a number of energy-efficient HVAC systems on the market. These systems can help you to save money on energy bills and reduce your environmental impact. Consider renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and geothermal, can be used to power your HVAC system. This can help you to further reduce your environmental impact. Implement sustainable design strategies. There are a number of sustainable design strategies that can help to reduce the energy consumption of your HVAC system. Please check the description for much more.